This section explains why and when you should clear the cache on your LG Smart TV streaming apps. Popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube TV, and Hulu store temporary data called cache to load content faster. This cache helps apps load faster by storing temporary data, but over time it can build up and cause problems. When cache becomes corrupted or excessive, apps slow down, buffer endlessly, or freeze completely. Think of it like clearing out unnecessary files from your computer. It keeps everything running smoothly. Clearing the cache periodically resolves these issues and makes your TV run faster. Here's a preview of the improvement. Start by picking up your LG Smart TV remote. Press the Settings button, which looks like a gear icon. This will open the Settings menu on your TV screen. Use the remote's arrow buttons to navigate through the Settings menu. Select the General option, which is highlighted here. In the General menu, look for the Apps option. The exact name might be Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your TV model. Select it. You'll see a list of installed apps. Scroll through and select the app you want to clear cache for, such as YouTube. In the Apps Information screen, select Clear Cache. Confirm the action when prompted by choosing OK. The cache is now cleared. You should see the cache size reduced to 0 bytes or significantly smaller. Clearing the cache improves app performance. Apps now load faster, as shown in this before and after comparison.